Hello traders, in this video I would like to review both S&P and Bitcoin, the current markets on S&P and Bitcoin, and the markets from many months before. First of all, in front of you is the power of Alpha Fibonacci System on day trading chart. This is a precision, this is a power. We identified this level far in advance. We also identify reversal zone far in advance. This is a power, this is strategic trading. Right now, intelligent trader understands powerful pullback is key. Without powerful pullback, nothing here to do. Everything to do was at key bullish trend inception, where bullish rally started from. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade. This is strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess. And again, this is where market crashed from. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. And again, it doesn't matter what chart you day or position trade. This is S&P in the last few weeks. This is key formation in front of you right now. This level is out. This is a place where S&P would crash from. So while we're monitoring S&P, let's go to Bitcoin. This year with Alpha Fibonacci System. So you can see the power and how Alpha Fibonacci System identified this sell-off far in advance. Every single one of the traders who joined the course at the end of 2020 had been asking me the question, is this a good time to enter Bitcoin or not? Tell me, what does the reward reversal zone mean to you? It means expect reversal. This is what Bitcoin looked like months ago. Here is the power. Bullish rally overextended. Does this look familiar? It's identical level you're looking in front of you on S&P this morning on day trading chart. Decision point 2 is crucial. Bitcoin reaches this level. And this is what happens next. You start seeing pullbacks from reversal zone. There is no surprise, all precise. This is your key support, 32,000 level. This is crucial for every single pullback. So when this continues and buyers picking up this theme with vicious pullbacks, it's absolutely expected. This chart remains bullish rally exhausted and stuck. The only way you remain in your long position on Bitcoin if you are in significant profit and you trail outside of 44,000. This is key institutional support before 32,000 level. Word reversal zone means reversal, yes? Anyone who speaks English knows that, correct? This is institutional chart. This is not $5 chart. This is multi-million, multi-billion dollar position on Bitcoin. So when the market continue doing this junk, no one is surprised. Bullish rally exhausted. So when Bitcoin crashing and burning, it's a beautiful thing. You knew many months in advance. This is not the place to buy Bitcoin. So when I get the phone call and someone started hedge fund on Bitcoin, buying Bitcoin at 60,000 level, it's insanity. It's craziness. Excuse my French, it's dumb. Reversal zone means not to buy. I'm teaching this in the live class after the close of the trading room. 32,000 level remains key support on Bitcoin. And you knew this many months in advance. This is Bitcoin in 2021. This is Alpha Fibonacci System in front of you on May 20th. Buyers picking up the steam, but this is brutal and nasty place to be. Ouch. You know the rules. You know where to enter. You know where to exit the position. This level is lifeline on Bitcoin. I am interested in buying Bitcoin at 5,000 level, where buyers stepped in from. And that's the power of the system. Lifeline on Bitcoin, 32,000 level. So here we go, traders. Here's a recap of the system on Apple. Apple crashed and burned from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is a chart present in front of you for years. This is a key institutional support on Apple. And if Apple remains stuck in this zone, no one should be surprised. All precise. This is lifeline on Apple. So when I get very, very sad emails that someone bought Tesla at 850, why in the world would you do that? It's Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, not the place to buy. 600 is lifeline on Tesla. But it's exact same place on any instrument you choose. Would you like to look on oil? And why my incredible trader in Saudi Arabia having a ball? Let's do. Because exact same thing that plays out on any instrument keeps repeating itself time and time again on any instrument you choose. Here's oil. Crash 2015. Exact same level you witnessing on S&P this morning, where prices stuck, correct? Let's take a look what's happening on S&P versus oil 2015. Let me remind you. Look at 1 minute chart. It's playing out in front of you. But this is oil 2015 in free fall. And when oil reaches Alpha Fibonacci support, it's a beautiful thing to buy oil at 30. You know many years in advance where oil's reversal zone will be 77 level. So when you bought oil stocks at the bullish trend inception when oil was at 30, you're working 5 minutes per week maximum. Day trading not your cup of tea. You are in excellent shape 2 years later. So when oil's selling off, you are not losing your mind. You are very well prepared. You understand the power of the word reversal zone. You are obeying the rules. You are not a gambler. Less than 5% makes money in markets. That 5% does not do what the rest 95% does. This 5% does not chase indicators or cheap junky systems that look good after the fact. This is predictive, powerful system that's showing you years in ahead that this is historical sell-off. So when you're witnessing in 2020 this, we've never seen such thing. Reversal zone as a negative number. Shocking. That's what I look forward to seeing on Bitcoin. Crash and burn, baby, would you? That would be a beautiful thing. Because intelligent traders buying the bottom, not the top. Intelligent trader not gambling with his and her money. It doesn't matter if you have $500 in your account or $5 billion in your account. I work with traders of every caliber, from 11-year-old to 90 plus. This never gets old, I promise. because in 2021, when oil broke through this level, it skyrocketed again. No one speculating, no one trading randomly. And that's S&P in front of you this morning on May 20th. But if I bring you back to Amazon, this was identical event 2018. Amazon stuck between two levels for months, and you know years in advance where Amazon would crash from more than $700 per share. And when Amazon reaches this level again, it's collapsing again and again and again. Spectacular earnings don't mean a thing. When Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone in play, you do not want to enter into this level. You want to buy the bottom and exit at reversal zone. One step at a time. And it doesn't matter what time frame you trade. Is it 5? Is it 10? Is it 15? Is it daily? Is it hourly? Is it weekly? Is it monthly? This is a system I developed in 2008. Since then, I developed more than 30 strategies, multiple systems. You decide what you want to trade. And this is oil now. We'll be testing 60 level again and again and again. Oil no longer at the bottom. Intelligent trader knows it's a nasty bearish correction. Intelligent trader would never speculate. It's exact same thing on every instrument. No speculation here. And that's the power of the system. Buyers stepped in on Bitcoin from Alpha Fibonacci support present in front of you for many, many months. In the month of January, price was heading to this level. In the month of May, price respecting this level. So please, do not give yourself heart attack. Do not stress out, do not panic, do not gamble. You want to become top 1%, you need to stop thinking as majority does. Stop gambling. Stop speculating. Stop listening to noise. And when you obey the rules, with Alpha Fibonacci System, the skies are the limit. So here's gold, traders. September 2020. You know, many months in advance where gold would crash and burn from. Why in the world would you waste your time on junky indicators, on junky systems, when you can trade pure price? So when gold crashing and burning from reversal zone, you knew this many, many months in advance. There is no speculation. None are present. Institutional reversal zones always identified days, weeks, months, and years in advance. So when gold crashing and burning, no one should be surprised. It's exact same thing on any instrument you choose to trade. Gold rallied from the bottom. This will be war zone on gold. Intelligent trader not speculating. Intelligent trader never pulling a trigger randomly. Intelligent trader obeying the rules, knowing quite well. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system every single day with ultimate precision on any chart you choose to trade. If you can trade one, you can trade them all. It all starts from separating junk from power. A whole lot of junk in this market. For one simple reason. S&P no longer at the bottom. S&P at historical high. Party in Miami starts at 10 a.m. on Monday. Hedge fund managers holding positions. Hedge fund managers do not want to pay taxes. So when $68 billion left New York in 1 year, and 90% of commercial real estate is vacant, this is a bullish rally that can be stuck here for many, many months, even years. It's gonna take a tragic event to collapse. And you know this months in advance. Just to remind you what S&P looked like before this rally. As again and again and again, I am teaching this in live class after the close of the trading room. December 2020. Reversal zone is reached. Intelligent trader and investor protecting profits identifies institutional sell-off, knowing many months and years in advance where institutional buy point will be 2200, 2400 level. So when S&P in free fall, you're not listening to noise and junk. You are not losing sleep. You know many months in advance where institutions would buy from. It is how simple and pure system is. March 23rd, institutional support is reached. And that's the events of that historical week. Stunning, endless trades at key institutional levels. You never heard this on the news. On the news is a nightmare. But again, the same exact people who own news channels buying the markets. Oops! So please remember, trading on the news will never work, or everyone would be shorting the market since last March. This is the power of the system. This is institutional rally that's exhausted and tired, and it can last many months and years. No one wants to pay taxes on multi-million, multi-billion dollar positions. Miami is New York. Understand that part. For that reason, you will be tested to the core. You start every single day with this chart. It doesn't matter if you trade 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It doesn't matter if you have $500 in your account or $5 billion in your account. You want to trade with Goldman. You never trade against BlackRock. You never trade against big power. But exact same event played out on this chart this week, correct? Yesterday morning, identical formations. Look at this. This is institutional buy point. Do you understand this? Looks identical to the events that played out last week in March. This was a very different number. 2200 level, correct? Yesterday, this was 4000 level. Massive, massive, massive number of trades. Intelligent trader knows this. Buying the bottom is a part of your success. But it all starts with when not to lose money, when not to lose your mind. This is precision and this is power. On Bitcoin for the last year, on S&P in the live markets, on oil, on gold, on Apple, on Amazon, on any instrument you choose to trade. So when this morning my students, in these brutal market conditions, sharing these results, that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. That's the reason system traded globally, from micro to macro account. Melvin trading oil, stunning work. Sue trading stocks, held on to many stocks looking at Alpha Fibonacci levels. This is what I'm focusing on in private mentoring with Sue. King is not in private mentoring. King trading Forex. So does Denzel. This is incredible effort by my incredible traders. Every single trader in different country, different state, different background, different account. It is every single trader's personal choice what this trader will decide to trade. This morning, S&P in a lot of pain. On May 11th, it was stunning and flawless, spectacular. So is on May 12th. So is every single day when market is moving. Tens of thousands of this showing you. You decide what instrument you choose to trade. It never gets sold, I promise. I love what I do. But the most important part is seeing what's possible when you make phenomenal effort. Please listen and view what intelligent trader has done. 37,000 on April 29th by Richard, correct? But let me remind you what his account looked like few months before. So this is what Richard done. This is how he started his journey. Listening to the podcast, signing up for the course and doing every single thing that intelligent trader would do, doubling his demo account with market replay on Ninja Trader. You can do it in a couple of weeks. When that is done, Richard goes to live account starting with $3,600 account on January 22nd, $11,500 account. Ken, trading Bitcoin. Look at the dates. Stunning phenomenal rally on Bitcoin 2020 during crisis. Intelligent trader knows buying the bottom, holding the key. It never gets sold. What's possible by trader of any background, of any account. So please, make an effort and obey the rules. And when you do, the sky's the limit. It doesn't matter what you trade. This is what every single trader says who makes an effort. So if you make exact same effort as Richard, as Ken, as Brad, as every single one of the traders you saw in the trading room this morning does, the skies are the limit.
Connection lost.
So if you decide to join us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. You can view this power of the system in the live trading room. You can read students' emails, students' performance, students' reviews. You can listen to students' podcasts. All the details on our homepage. It's spelled out very clearly that you can trade the system on any instrument, any platform, any time frame. Or you can trade with Ninja Trader 8 software. So if you want to day trade, option trade, position trade, invest long term, of course you can. If there is pure price, Alpha Fibonacci System applies. Choose from 4 options appropriate for you, with savings up to $5,000. Private mentoring waiting list. Speak with me first. Do not sign up randomly. It's a priority list. Only if you are very flexible, I will be able to work with you. When the next student graduates, I will move you to the top of the list. For group course, you can sign up at any time. Group course with lifetime system and software is 3 months. Video library modules available 24/7. Our students in London, in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia, in Malaysia, in Bhutan, in Florida, in New York, in New Jersey, in Alabama, studying at their own time. Any questions for me? do not hesitate to contact me. Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And if you miss the events in the trading room, click on this section on top and view thousands of videos from trading room. So thank you so much, everyone, for another spectacular week. And remember, never ever ever speculate. Never ever ever gamble. This is the most important moment in your trading. Only rules, only price, only Alpha Fibonacci system applies to any instrument, any time frame you choose.